In this lesson, we're going to be talking about what we'll be covering over the course of the next several hours. Since this is a training video related to a certification, we will be covering the exam objectives. So, in order to find out what the exam objectives are, we go to Red Hat. Red Hat has a page that covers the exam objectives for the Red Hat Certified Systems Administrator. This is, of course, a hands-on certification. You take a lab-based exam, so just learning about the material isn't going to be enough. You really need to work with this material here. So we're going to spend a lot of time not just talking about concepts, but showing the application of those concepts and the different tools that we'll be making use of. So understanding and using essential tools, shell prompts using input and output redirection, grep and regular expressions, talking about accessing remote systems, logging in, switching to users, archiving, compressing, be talking about how to operate running systems, booting and rebooting, again, different run levels, identifying processes, adjusting process priority. We're going to be talking about starting and stopping virtual machines, configuring local storage, creating and removing physical volumes, and talking about encrypted partitions and logical volumes, as well as universally unique identifiers and how they relate to disks. Be talking about file systems, creating and maintaining file systems, access control lists, and of course, deploying, configuring, and maintaining systems, as well as managing users and groups. And of course, security. We'll be talking about IP tables and SE Linux and file contexts and all sorts of related information to all of those areas. So those are some kind of high-level areas that we'll be covering, and we'll get down as deep into all of them as we possibly can. So that's what we'll be covering over the next several hours, and I hope you're ready for the ride as we dig into Red Hat Enterprise Linux.